In this video, I will explain the whiteboard in detail. This is the whiteboard. If you click on this icon, it will minimize the whiteboard. Click here to restore the whiteboard. Whenever your tutor writes or draws anything on the whiteboard, you will be able to view it here. If your tutor turns on their multi-user whiteboard setting, you will also be able to write on the whiteboard. Here are the different tools on the whiteboard. You can add text using the text tool, create a line or ellipse or triangle or a rectangle using their respective tools. You can even select thickness of the pencil and its color. Click on Undo Annotation to undo. Click on Clear All Annotations to clear all your annotations. In the next video, I will talk about session chats in detail.